Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, if you have the book, Itchy, Itchy Chicken Pox, go get it so you can follow along. It is an AR book, so you can test on it. I know some of you like to test on these books. All right. Have you ever been itchy? What caused it? Have you ever had the chicken pox? I have. I've got a chicken pox scar right here. All right, when I was little. All right. Here's our title page. Itchy, Itchy Chicken Pox by Grace Maccarone. Illustrated by Betsy Lewin. There's spots all over. A spot? A spot! Another spot! Uh-oh. Chicken pox. Under my shirt? Under my socks? Itchy, itchy chicken pox. Don't rub. Don't scratch. Oh no, another batch. On my tummy, between my toes, down my back and on my nose. Lotion on. Itching's gone. Just for now. It comes back. Oh! Daddy counts my itchy spots. Lots and lots of chicken pox. Itchy, itchy, I feel twitchy. I run away. The itching stays. Run it away. Rubber ducky doesn't like my yucky, mucky oatmeal bath. But Mommy says it's good for me. I rest. I read. I eat. I play. I feel better every day. And then, no new spots. Hooray! I'm okay. I get to go to school today. Have you ever had itchy spots and missed school? And then they went away? Tell me about a time that you've had itchy spots and they went away. Have a great day. Remember, you gotta give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and October is coming up. Have a great day. Don't get in something itchy.